So what Trevor's doing right now is trying to fit it towards the drain. We are going to fill the bottom of the pan with concrete or cement, whatever you want to, mortar, whatever you want to call it. Just to make sure that when we're stepping in it over time that it's not going to crush the plastic and potentially crack the base of the shower. So that will probably take a solid day or so to dry before we can go ahead with anything else to deal with the shower, but it's a good start.
I gotta hold the neck and you gotta push that black piece down, you know what I'm saying?
Like into it?
The pipe, not that rubber piece, but the pipe.
Oh, the actual drain pipe?
Yeah.
It's not all the way.
Alright, can you pick the shower pan right up?
Like get out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. It's got to come out first then. Okay.
Okay, hold it up there like that.
I think it's a little off center.
I know, that's why I gotta push on it. I'm gonna glue it.
Huh.
Pick it up higher. Okay, glue it.
To what?
No, just run the edge of that
Outside or in?
outside. A little higher than that. There. Okay. Shove it in there.
How far?
Should go pretty far. That's probably it. Okay. Push it towards you.
Or to pull?
Yeah, there you go. So it's square, kinda? Yep, okay.
Smells like nail
Get
polish
it?
remover. Leave it? Like let it go?
Yep.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay, so they were supposed to be here at 11. It is just after 8:30, which is, I'm not complaining at all. So this is gonna be our kitchen. This looks like so many cabinets. So many! Like, there's stuff back here. Oh my god. I don't know how we're gonna move in here to finish anything. There's so many cabinets.